Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fixed Windows 10 error code 0xc000000f. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type /fix mbr. Type /fix boot. Type /bootsex /nt60 sys. Type /fix boot. bcd edit /export /c:\/ bcd backup. Attrib /c:\/ boot /bcd -h -r -s. ren c:\/ boot /bcd bcd.old. Type /rebuild bcd. Type A. Exit and start Windows. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.